experiment, you're gonna need 2 food dyes to represent the cold and warm air. Then you're gonna need ice cubes that have a specific color. I chose green for this one, and that's gonna represent the cold air. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add your cubes, and you're gonna add the purple food dye. As you can see, what is happening right here is that the cold is air sinking, and the purple air is rising. For example, when the steam rises in the shower, this happens because of convection. This type of energy makes the air unstable, which causes thunderstorms. So look right here, and you can see that it's going on top of it. The green food dye, which is the cold air, is under it. So yeah, let's go on to the next experiment. So for the second experiment, you're gonna need a jar, you're gonna need ice, and you're gonna need hairspray. So you're gonna grab your jar and you're gonna add more than the half of warm water, hot water actually, and then you're gonna add the hairspray. You're gonna add the hairspray in, and then you're gonna add the ice on top like this, and you're gonna wait a little bit. So what's happening right now is that the water vapor is forming, and it's going up and touching the cold lid, and when that touches, they condense. So you're gonna see, I don't think you're gonna be able to see that much, but a lot of smoke is gonna come out. So you're gonna see. We're gonna take off the ice now, and we're gonna take out the top. As you can barely see, smoke is coming out. You can barely see. So yeah, this experiment is called cloud in a jar. So let's get on to the next experiment. This is an example of the clouds in a jar. So this is the hot water, and it forms water vapor, and as the water vapor goes up and it touches the cool top, it condensates, and here's the condensation happening. I try to do it as best as I can, as you can see here, the dots, but I put 2 arrows here to equal, because these two things, and as they go together, it forms condensation. So for the final project, for the final experiment, we're gonna be using a jar, a cup filled with food dye, so you can actually see the rain coming down, cotton balls, which we're gonna be referring to as clouds, and a cup that has holes. So first you're gonna put your cup that has holes on the top of the jar. Then you're gonna be putting your clouds in, and you're gonna put your water, and you're gonna slowly realize that as the clouds get heavy enough, they're gonna start pouring and letting go of the rain. So you're gonna see how the rain is coming down out of the jar. And that's showing how when it rains, the clouds form and they hold enough water, and when they have enough water, they let it all go. That's showing how it rains. So I hope you guys liked my experiments, and yeah, thank you for watching.